Story time. During the bubonic plague, 4 grave robbers were able to make bank. They did it by robbing the corpses of the people who had succumbed. When those robbers finally got caught, they were called before a judge. The judge wanted to know, how is it that you can go face to face with the plague and survive? He said, in exchange for your freedom, tell us the recipe you're using to keep yourself healthy and strong against this horrible plague. The robbers agreed, and this is how we have the legend of the 4 Thieves Vinegar. Used a mixture of peppers and onions and comfrey and certain wild available plants that were macerated in a raw apple cider vinegar. They would wash themselves with it and they would drink it. So they used it internally and externally as a way to protect themselves by Plague Tonic, Master Tonic, Cyclone, Cider. What we have is a product called Fire, and it's a raw apple cider tonic made with ginger and garlic and turmeric, peppers, and onions. That's it. Traditional fire cider is also made with honey, and I decided not to put any sweetener in mine. If you want to put sweetener in your Andi Lynn's fire tonic, that's your business. You can go ahead and do that. Thank you for coming into the garden and learning your history lesson of how did the 4 Thieves Vinegar turn into the Andi Lynn's fire tonic in the year 2020.